So I meet a lot of people and a lot of people say to me, I've got a good website, so I don't really need to do anything else. Or I've got a good website, my website's very good, it's responsive, it works well. Is there really anything that I can do to even make it better? So today I'm gonna be answering that question by giving you 3 things that you can do to make a good website even better. With that being said, let's get right into it. Before I give you the points, I just want you to know that we're posting a lot of content every week. A new video goes out on our YouTube every Friday morning. So make sure you hit that subscribe button below to stay up to date. And don't forget to join the notification squad so you're one of the very first people to watch the videos. With that being said, the first thing you can do to make your good website even better is to keep up with website maintenance. A website should not be seen as, right, we've designed it, we've developed it, done. A website should be seen as an ongoing work because this is really where you get the value from your website. So keeping up with the website maintenance strategy, and I'm gonna break that down into 3 different things that you can look at as part of your website maintenance strategy that will make your website even greater than what it already is. The first one is making your website faster. What do I mean by this? Making your website faster helps with your usability experience because when a user comes on your site, they are expecting it to load within 2 to 3 seconds. So if your website is not loading that quickly, this is poor usability for your target customer, for your customer themselves, or for anyone that lands on your website. So by making sure your website is faster, this will make your website greater and therefore increase your chances of converting this person that's on your website. Also, added benefit of making your website faster is that it counts towards your SEO score on Google. Google likes a website that loads very quickly. So if your website's ticking that box for Google, you're gonna be ranking as high as you possibly can. The second thing under your website maintenance strategy is to reduce bounce rate. What is bounce rate? In a nutshell, bounce rate is someone comes on your site, not lasting more than say 2-3 seconds or whatever, not going on any other page and they leave your site. By reducing this, you're able to make your website better, and certain ways to help you reduce your bounce rate is to have good content on your site. Have exceptional content on your website which will keep people on your website. That doesn't mean just blocks of text. Mix it up, have some video content, have some image content, have some text content, but break the text up in nice, easily digestible format. So this will help make your website greater because once you get people onto your website, your goal is to make them stay as long as possible so you have the chance to make them do what you're trying to do, which is through your call to action. So as I say, reducing your bounce rate as part of your website maintenance strategy will definitely make your website greater than what it currently is. And last thing under your website maintenance strategy is to boost your security. Plain and simple, you will not leave your house without locking your door. So improving the security on your website will make it greater. Implementing things like a brute force attack. What is this? Brute force attack is basically stopping people guessing multiple times to try and attempt to break in or breach your website. So a brute force attack prevents this because you can limit this, for example, to 3 attempts. So once someone tries to log into your website 3 times, and if they don't have that password or gain entry in the correct fashion, they will be blocked temporarily from trying to access the login page again. So implementing something like a brute force attack will boost your security. The second tip to making your website better is to add more content. So I touched on this slightly on the website maintenance. Exceptional content will prevent your bounce rate. So adding more content in general makes your website better. People are searching for answers to questions. So if you add more content on your website that provides answers to those questions, your website becomes far better than it currently is. Your website then gets ranked higher than it currently will, which means you're going to get more traffic to your website. People are going to get value from what you're providing through your content, and they will want to use you for what it is that you're promoting. So adding more content to your website will help make your website greater than it currently is. And finally, add testimonials. Testimonials is proof that you are good at what you do. If you're on the product side of things or a product-based type business, a consumer-oriented business, using things like reviews, testimonials, adding this on your website will make your website greater, because as I said, this is the proof that your product, your services, what you're offering is what you say it is. People have used you, therefore they found value from you and they've left you a very nice review. So adding this on your website will make your website greater. Therefore, you can go away and convert more people to paying customers. That's all we have for you today. If there's anything you think I've missed, leave them in the comment section below. If you have any questions whatsoever, leave them in the comment section below and I will answer your questions. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and don't forget to join the notification squad. Till next week, bye for now.